Up, I was driving my old truck today. Came to the gas station, put a little bit of gas in the old truck, and all of a sudden, my wire right here melted off of there. And what happened? My starter went out. So now I got to go to the auto parts and go get me another starter, get this thing back on the road. It's not one thing, it's another when you got an old car. Lucky enough, I know how to work on all this junk. Oh, now it's trying to spin. What do you got? Yeah, this thing is toasted. Yeah, it's not supposed to spin like that. Anyhow, gotta get to the auto parts. Everybody have a good day.